Graphic design to user experience. Is the transition from one to the other all that big? As someone who recently completed their degree in graphic design, I want to challenge the idea that switching fields is a huge leap. It might not be as drastic as it seems. Instead, let's talk about how design thinking and skills naturally translate across disciplines. First, let's acknowledge something important. The line between graphic design and UX isn't as clear as it used to be. The truth, graphic designers and UX designers both have to deeply understand their audience to create effective designs. We research target audiences, consider context, test approaches, and, of course, iterate. Many design programs have even started including interaction design and UX courses alongside traditional graphic design. This reflects the reality that design principles transcend medium, whether you're working in print, digital, spatial, or interactive experiences. Rather than thinking about this as a career transition, think of it as translating your design skills to different contexts. It's about applying the same fundamental principles, hierarchy, composition, typography, psychology, to new challenges and outcomes. Here's how some of your existing skills might translate immediately. Grid-based layout expertise directly translates into creating responsive designs that adapt across devices while maintaining visual harmony and information hierarchy. Typography skills translates into creating legible interfaces. Understanding how typefaces, sizing, and spacing affect comprehension become the foundation for creating scannable, readable interfaces that effectively guide user attention. Brand development becomes design system management. Graphic designers create and maintain visual consistency across brands, which translates well into creating design systems with reusable components and comprehensive style guides that ensure product-wide coherence. The main adjustment isn't learning new skills, it's understanding new context. The shift involves expanding your design methodology to encompass user behavior patterns and interactive feedback systems. For example, the same principles used to guide someone's eye through a poster will help you guide them through a digital experience. The difference is considering how the experience changes based on user actions and needs. While many design programs now include user research fundamentals, this is often the area where graphic designers need to deepen their expertise. Spend more time formalizing your knowledge of user research methods like conducting basic user interviews, running usability tests, synthesizing findings into actionable insights, and using data to inform design decisions. These research skills enhance your existing design thinking, helping you make more informed decisions about your users' needs. Just remember, you aren't starting from scratch. Start by recognizing the research and user-centered thinking you might already be doing, like creating personas for branding projects, drafting multiple iterations for a logo refresh, gathering client and user feedback, and testing different versions of designs. These practices are already laying the groundwork for user-centered design. Moving from graphic design to UX isn't about abandoning your background. It's about translating your skills to new context. So, your design foundation isn't just relevant, it's essential. Some of the best UX designers I know started in graphic design. Their strong visual foundation, combined with user-centered thinking, allows them to create experiences that are both beautiful and functional. The gap between graphic design and UX, it's smaller than you think.
Thanks for watching. If you'd like to see more UX videos, check out these over here and consider subscribing to our channel. You can find even more resources on our website, including a free library of over 2,000 UX articles. And if you're ready to dive deeper, we offer both live hands-on UX training and self-paced courses you can take anytime and at your own pace. Explore our full course library at nnGroup.com.